Okay, everybody, today I'm going to show you how to take a sprite animation you've made in Piskel and bring it into Construct. So this is my Piskel account here. I save everything in my gallery, which is a good place just for everything to sort of stay. You don't have to worry about it going anywhere. I created this coin sprite here. I'm going to go ahead and edit the sprite, and this will bring me into the editor with different frames to make it look like it's spinning and catching some light. In order to bring this into Construct, you're going to go over to the icon, Export. It looks like a little landscape photograph over there. And you're going to click the download, which is under Spritesheet File Export. And it automatically generates your Spritesheet layout options with your columns and rows. I haven't had any issues with it generating the wrong number so far, so everything's been good. We're going to hit download, and it's going to create this. It's going to save to your download folder. On a Chromebook, it may prompt you. Be sure that it gets saved to the right place. I'm going to close Piskel. I'm going to go over to Construct, my Sprite Strip Test project. Right-click, insert a new object, click on Sprite, insert, click again, and then you're going to go up to the file, little file folder, load an image from a file, grab your Piskel sprite sheet there, and you're all set. But look, no frames. Once again, right-click down on this white area, import frames from Strip, grab your file you're working with, and you're going to tell it how many horizontal and vertical cells are in this strip. So in this case, it's 4x4, and the animation runs left to right or horizontal. Make sure that the direction is correct. It is. Import. Now we have our frames separated. We're going to right-click on this and delete, and we're ready to rock and roll. So one more thing I should mention is underneath the animation, you can control things like speed, whether it loops, how many times it repeats, things like that. Let's just go ahead and see what it looks like with the speed of 5. Preview. Yeah, because there's so many frames, it's a little bit slow. Let me make this bigger too. Hold down Shift and go back to my animation, double click. And let's speed up this animation quite a bit. Let's bring it up to like 12. Close. Now let's preview and see if that's a little faster. That's a little better. Oh, and it only looped once. We have to tell it to loop properly. So we have, oh, I didn't have loop checked, sorry. And then I'm going to speed this up even more. Let's go. I think I had 17 frames per second in Piskel, so I'm going to have it match and see how that looks. Perfect. Now we're looping, and it's a good speed. Probably a little big, but I wanted you guys to see it. That's it. Good luck.